Hello and welcome back to the video. The topic of this video is my 3 weeks review of the interactive flat panel. What are the things that I've done? This can act as a guide for you before buying an interactive flat panel. And let's begin. There are three things that I want to talk about in this video. The first thing is lag. The second thing is software update. And the third thing is lighting. So these are the three things that I want to talk about in this video. The first thing that you have to notice while purchasing your interactive flat panel is to check whether it's lagging or not. For example, when you start writing, does it immediately write or there is some lag while writing? So this way you can identify whether it's lagging or not. It's an easy process. You just start writing on the board, and if there is lag, then the tip of the pen will write before it actually writes on the board. And that's lag. And that's a considerable amount of lag. The second point is that you have to understand that whether the company is providing you with the software updates. A software update is simply a firmware update. It can be a firmware update or it can be anything around those lines. It can be an update that converts your interactive flat panel from Android 13 to Android 14. It's important that the company that you choose must provide you with regular updates. That's important. My update really changed the interactive flat files writing software. My company, which is RioTouch, they upgraded the firmware and now I have a better interface for my writing software. And then you need to understand lighting. Lighting is extremely important. The first thing that you need to keep in mind is to keep your lights by your sides. One light on the right and at a 45-degree angle, and the other light at the bottom and slightly tilted towards the top. It has to be like this, the bottom lights. Plus, you have to use your cell phone to record. Plus, you have to use your cell phone to record your video because that's a better option and more convenient and more user friendly. So that's about it. I'll see you in the next. Take care and have a nice day.